Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we'll be looking at what variables are. Variables are a super important component in programming, so I hope that after this video you'll understand what they are and how to use them. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have this backpack. It's versatile and it's ready to carry different items. For example, your water bottle or a laptop. In programming, variables are like this backpack. They can hold different types of data. Now imagine a room filled with different backpacks. To distinguish one from the other, we give each backpack a unique name. Similar to in programming, we assign names to variables to keep track of the data they hold. Now, just like in reality, we can change the water bottle to a snack. Same thing can be done with variables. We can change the data that's inside the variables. Let's look at a different example. Let's say we have this game. We have a player named Bob. Bob has a score of 200. Both Bob and the score are variables. They hold specific data that can change during the game. Just like now, we change the player name to Jeff and the score has gone up by 300. So now the score is 500. Let's look at a Java example. Here we have a typical Java code where we have the class and the main method. If you're unfamiliar with this structure, I have a video where I explain how a Java program structure looks like, including syntax, naming conventions, and much more. So if you're interested, definitely check it out. So here we define our variable called score, which is of type integer, and we assign it the value of 100. Here we have our player name, Luigi, with a type string, and now we see we have defined it here, score, and then we can use the same variable to give it another value, just like we did with the score and with a player name. Now let's look at a typical Python program. This is the same thing, just in Python. So here we can see we create a variable called score 100 and a player name Luigi. And the same thing we can do here, we can just change whatever is inside this variable. So in summary, variables hold different types of data in your code. You can always update your variables, and variables help to keep your code tidy and efficient. I hope you liked this video. Remember to subscribe and like and leave a comment if you have anything you'd like me to explain to you guys. Bye!